We're on Springfield, Massachusetts. We're taking a car tour around a quadrangle, and I'll tell you what all is inside. And then we're going to talk about the beautiful Mattoon Street. But this quadrangle, 4 sides to it, has a lot to go into it. It has these 7 museums called the Springfield Museums, which include art museums, Egyptian artifacts, Dr. Seuss exhibits twice, and it has a science museum. And you can enjoy yourself for hours inside that beautiful place. We're starting on Edwards Street, and now we're coming up to the side of Springfield Diocese Chancery Office, where the bishop used to live and work. And we're coming on Elliott Street. To the left, there still is the North Congregational Church, made by Henry Hopkins Richardson. And we're passing by on the right hand side the 2 chancery offices of that bishop, and he made those. And on the immediate left of that, there's across the street from the chancery office is the former Bevan High School. And then here to the left is the Springfield Technical School, and then to the right is the back of St. Michael's Cathedral, and also the nuns school, for starter nuns school for the nuns taking college classes. And then the convent, all gone now, parking lot, and they have a parish center back there. In the distance, you can also see the rectory for the pastors, and sometimes it was for the bishop. And then we're going to get onto State Street. You're going to notice across the way Springfield Classical High School. Right, so we're passing right now the rectory for the bishop. And this is almost on the State Street now. And in front of us is Classical High School. And then we're going to pass by the front of St. Michael's Cathedral very, very quickly. And then there's going to be a Springfield Public Library, which is a replacement library, a Carnegie Library. And we'll by it right now. And then we're going by Merrick Park, which has inside of it an Augustus St. Gaudens statue of one of the Chapin families, Deacon Chapin. And we're going to take a right onto Chestnut Street. And on Chestnut Street, you're going to get to see the Episcopal Cathedral, called Christ Church Cathedral. That's going to come up right behind the park. Gorgeous brownstone church. And then we're going to see some of the rectory, and then some of the buildings that belong to the Springfield Museums, the Museum of Fine Art. And then some gorgeous Victorian homes that are now part of the museums also. And then part of the Springfield History Museum, Transportation Center, so forth. And we're passing by Mattoon Street, and we're going to go on to Mattoon Street. Since it's a one-way, we're going to go a special way. And that street, you're going to notice that there's a lot of row houses. They're very gorgeous townhouses. And this part of Springfield has a lot going very quickly, like the YMCA we just passed by. Now we get to see from the back here the North Congregational Church. Gorgeous from front and back. Remember, it's made by Henry Hopkins Richardson. Everything I'm talking about today has its own stop. So I'm just planning out a car tour or a walking tour with you that you can go and see what you're seeing at very slow pace. Now notice that the windows here in back are very narrow and tall, a sign of Richardson's design. Now we're going to go onto Mattoon Street, and what to watch out for here is the French Empire style row houses, all in a row, mostly from 1871. They were built only by a couple architects and put up very quickly in that year. So a lot of things came around this area very quickly. The churches to the second church, and then to these row houses from 1860 to 1871. You had so much going on very, very quickly. And so thus it became beautiful, and it's been kept or maintained up to that high level of beauty for a very, very long time. So I hope you enjoy yourself around this quadrangle area, plus Mattoon Street, and a lot of people having a class, and I thank you very much.